Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Thursday, July 30. There is only one more day left to write off a possible 60% of your outstanding water bill. The first leg of the National Water Commission's Cruncher 180 promotion ends tomorrow. It allows customers who are in arrears for at least 180 days to settle their accounts by paying only 40% of their outstanding balances. In August, the write-off is reduced to 50% of the outstanding arrears, and in September it drops to 40%, which still means customers need only pay 60% of what they owe the Commission to bring their accounts up to date. The Cruncher 180 promotion is open to commercial and residential customers and includes active and disconnected accounts, as well as illegally connected water consumers. Tomorrow is also the final day for business entities to cash in on tremendous savings under the Companies Office of Jamaica, COJ's amnesty. Those savings include a 40% reduction in the cost of filing outstanding annual returns for companies limited by shares, that is, a company formed to make a profit. The amnesty, which has been in effect since May 4, also provides incentives for taking care of the removal of companies and closure of business names. So far, thousands of entities have benefited from the service, with over 14,000 annual returns filed, 1,712 applications to remove companies, and 1,097 applications to close business names. The COJ is urging other individuals and entities to capitalize on the initiative while it lasts. The Ministry of Health will be partnering with the Jamaica Kidney Kids Foundation to train a pediatric nephrologist for the Cornwall Regional Hospital. A nephrologist specializes in the treatment of kidney disease. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the ministry will be contributing to the 144,000 Canadian dollars required for the training. He was speaking at a function where the Spanish Jamaica Foundation donated $250,000 to the Jamaica Kidney Kids Foundation.
On behalf of the ministry and my permanent secretary, would want to congratulate Ambassador and the Spanish Jamaican Foundation for the wonderful work that you have been performing in fostering and strengthening the relationship between Jamaica and Spain.
A concerted effort has been made to improve efficiency in the management of this year's Emancipation and Independence celebrations. Minister of Youth and Culture Lisa Hanna says the government is determined to get more value for money.
We were very, very clear on how to be more even efficient with our budget, rationalize how the expenditure went so that we could stretch the resources.
The minister was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. JCDC's Executive Director Delroy Gordon was there and said the Commission was making the extra effort for a great celebration this year. He promises entertainment for everyone.
There are going to be 4 bandwagons that are going to be going across the island between August 2 to August 6, making stops in various townships and parish capitals. And the bandwagon, you could say it's like a merry-go-round on wheels. So we have flatbed trucks, music trucks that are going to be moving through communities.
Emancipation activities start on July 31 with vigils at selected locations in every parish, including the National Jubilee at Civil in St. Anne. There will also be the usual merry-go-round showcasing the best of JCDC festival competitions at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. Grand Gala returns to the National Stadium on August 6. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller today addressed a special United Nations open debate on peace and security challenges facing small island developing states. Mrs. Simpson-Miller gave a Caribbean perspective during the panel discussion at the UN headquarters in New York. She also spoke to Jamaica's efforts to secure its people, protect its borders, and participate in global peace and security initiatives. The Prime Minister used the occasion to outline measures that could be used to overcome the security challenges being faced by small island developing states. She left the island on Wednesday and is expected to return on Friday. While she's on assignment, the Minister of Transport Works and Housing, Dr. Omar Davies, is in charge of the government. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.